Hello guys, I am Shubham Charan from Group 10. Today's my topic is a practical example of action rules. So first one is breast cancer database. So here we are getting this database from this university, and the database classify whether the tumor is benign or malignant. 700 rows are there. This is the distribution of classification variable, and classification can help provide suggestion action in order to change the class from malignant to benign. So for the same way, these are some statistical data. This is an attribute. We need to change value from 4 to 2. That means 4 is malignant and 2 is benign. And these are some other attributes. So we found out the best node for this particular data set is uniformity of cells or size. This is a kind of flexible variable which we need to change from 8 to 1, and normal nucleoli 5 to 3. Then we can get the class variable for 4 to 2. That means we can change the class from malignant to benign, and this particular uniformity of cell size we can do by changing this particular flexible variable, so that in the end we can use the transparent rule, and then with the use of that we can get the minimum cost action rule, which is shown here: marginal addition from 1 to 3, and then class 4 to 2, which is having cost 0.85. In this case, the goal could not be reached possibly because the desired maximum cost specified 0.00059 was too low. However, still the best node found thus far was written, which cost 0.00128449, is still lower than the current known cost is to the user is 0.3. Same way, insurance company benchmark database, which was found like into for the challenge coil 2000, and total 5822 tuples, and we are reclassifying the attribute contribution CAR policy from value 5 to 6. Here are some statistics, and if you see here, private health insurance if we change 3 to 4, because this is the flexible variable, and the contribution CAR policies we can get from 5 to 6, which is like our goal thing, which we are using action rules. So high level education we need to change from 2 to 3 level, and social class, which P1 we need to change from 2 to 4 to get the private health insurance from 3 to 4, which is the decision. So same way, transparency rule we can use, and action rule of minimum cost found will be the high level education we need to change from 2 to 3, which is here, and social class B1 we need to change from 2 to 3, and it will transparency do 5 to 6 contribution CAR policies, and which is having the cost like 714286. The same with this one. Same way, we are having one more example, which is binding to thrombin database. Here we have written like this data set was used for KDD Cup competition in 2001. So this is to explore the drug and its components. And here what we are actually predicting is like whether the class value is active or inactive. Here we are defining A as active and I as inactive, and reclassification attribute for the action rule. In this way, we provide suggestion to the users to what molecular properties can be changed in order to reclassify the chemical compound from inactive to active class. Same with these are some statistics. And this is the goal node. F304 is compound which we need to change from 1 to 0, and same way 172 we need to change from 0 to 1, so that we can get this particular 1 to 0. And as per the transparency rule, in the end we can get activity from 0 to 1, which is having 1 as confidence, but we can use this because we are using the transparency rule. So F172 0 to 1. This is how we can get the particular action rule with the minimum cost found. And the question is, which type of rules are used from LSER to generate action rules? And the answer will be we can use the action certain rules, right? We can use certain rules to generate the action rules from LFER rules. Thank you.